Class 10th Subject Science and Technology Part 2. Chapter number 1, Heredity and Evolution. Can you recall? 1. Which component of the cellular nucleus of living organisms carries hereditary characters? The component of the cellular nucleus that carries hereditary characters is the chromosome, specifically the DNA present in chromosomes. 2. What do we call to the process of transfer of physical and mental characters from parents to the progeny? The process of transfer of physical and mental characters from parents to progeny is called heredity. 3. Which are the components the DNA molecule? The DNA molecule is made up of the following three main components: 1. Sugar deoxyribose, 2. Phosphate group, 3. Nitrogenous bases adenine, thymine, cytosine, and guanine. Heredity and hereditary changes. You know that heredity is the process by which biological characters are transferred from one generation to another through genes. Gregor Johann Mendel is regarded as the pioneer of modern genetics. However, it took a long time for the world to understand and accept the conclusions drawn from his experiments on heredity. In the year 1901, the causes behind sudden changes in organisms were explained by the mutational theory proposed by Hugo de Vries. Around the same period, in 1902, Walter Sutton discovered paired chromosomes in the cells of a grasshopper, a fact unknown before his observation. Once it was proven that genes are carried through chromosomes, scientists began researching the nature of genetic material. Later, in 1944, three scientists, Oswald Avery, Macklin McCarthy, and Colin MacLeod, demonstrated that DNA is the genetic material in all living organisms except viruses. In 1961, French geneticists Francois Jacob and Jacques Monod proposed a model for protein synthesis with the help of DNA in bacterial cells. This model helps scientists decode the genetic information hidden within DNA. As a result, the technique of recombinant DNA technology emerged, a discovery that opened vast possibilities in the field of genetic engineering. The science of heredity today plays a crucial role in the diagnosis, treatment, and prevention of hereditary diseases. It is also used in the production of hybrid varieties of plants and animals and in various industrial processes that involve microorganisms. Transcription, translation, and translocation. Can you tell? 1. Sketch and explain the structure of DNA and various types of RNA. Structure of DNA: deoxyribonucleic acid. DNA is the genetic material found in almost all living organisms, except some viruses. It carries hereditary information from one generation to the next. Structurally, DNA is a double helical molecule, first discovered by James Watson and Francis Crick in 1953. Main components of DNA: 1. Sugar deoxyribose, a 5 carbon sugar molecule. 2. Phosphate group links the sugar molecules together. 3. Nitrogenous bases of 4 types: 1. Adenine A, 2. Thymine T, 3. Cytosine C. For guanine G, base pairing rule: adenine always pairs with thymine via 2 hydrogen bonds. Cytosine always pairs with guanine via 3 hydrogen bonds. Thus, the two strands of DNA are complementary to each other and run in opposite directions, antiparallel. Types of RNA: ribonucleic acid. RNA helps in protein synthesis and is single stranded unlike DNA. It contains ribose, sugar instead of deoxyribose, and uracil, U, replaces thymine, T. Want to watch the full animated chapter with notes and test series? Then download the Hope Publications app, your smart companion for Class 10 Maharashtra Board. Learn easily, understand deeply, and score higher. Remember, smart learning, bright future. Download link is given in the description below. Start your journey of smart learning today.
इंट्रोड्यूसिंग होप पब्लिकेशंस ऐप महाराष्ट्र स्टेट बोर्ड क्लास 10th के लिए एक कंप्लीट डिजिटल लर्निंग सोल्यूशन। यहाँ मिलते हैं साइंस, हिस्ट्री और ज्योग्राफी एक्सप्लेनेशन वीडियोस, चैप्टर नोट्स, टेस्ट सीरीज और माइंड मैप, सब कुछ एक ही ऐप में।
बच्चों के कॉन्सेप्ट्स अब बहुत आसानी से क्लियर हो रहे हैं और हर टॉपिक अच्छे से समझ में आने लगा है। अब स्टूडेंट सिर्फ सुनते ही नहीं, समझते भी है, क्योंकि होप पब्लिकेशंस ऐप बनाता है पढ़ाई को इंटरैक्टिव। अब मुझे अपनी बेटी की पढ़ाई की कोई चिंता नहीं। होप पब्लिकेशंस ऐप के साथ वो खुद जिम्मेदारी से सीख रही है।
होप पब्लिकेशंस ऐप ने मेरे बच्चे की पढ़ाई को आसान और मजेदार बना दिया है। अब मुझे अपनी बेटी की पढ़ाई की कोई चिंता नहीं। होप पब्लिकेशंस ऐप के साथ वो खुद जिम्मेदारी से सीख रही है।
अब पढ़ाई बोरिंग नहीं, होप पब्लिकेशंस ऐप है ना। होप पब्लिकेशंस ऐप से मेरी प्रिपरेशन हो रही है टॉप क्लास।
अब नोट्स ढूंढने की टेंशन खत्म, सब कुछ इस ऐप में रेडी है। साइंस, हिस्ट्री, ज्योग्राफी सब एक जगह, एक ऐप पर।
होप पब्लिकेशंस ऐप ने हमारी स्कूल की पढ़ाई का लेवल ही बढ़ा दिया है। अब हर क्लास डिजिटल बन रही है।
हर सब्जेक्ट, हर कॉन्सेप्ट अब आपकी उंगलियों पर। होप पब्लिकेशंस ऐप डाउनलोड करें आज ही।